Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change the guest network names in Zyxel Router. And to do this you need to go to this website 192.168.1.1. Then you'll need to log in. After you log in, you can go for the three lines in the top right corner of the screen, network settings and wireless. Inside you can find the general guest more AP, and here's the one that we need to enter. Now choose a different guest network. There's 1, 2, 3, and let's go for the first one. Click on the edit button and here you can change the name for it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.